Hello, this is Vance, and this is Wednesday, September the 10th, 2014. This is the CL pre-market for today using the slow hand method for price action. Has some volatility overnight, and the high on the overnight was 93.03. The low on the overnight is 92.32, which just happened. Once price tested this overnight high of 93.02, it cut 93.02, so 93.03 in the overnight. Price came down, traded down to 92.50, traded back up to 93.02, and that was just after 6 a.m. and 6:20. And so this large emotional move traded right down to, for the next almost over an hour. And you can see that the trend was significantly down. Well, just an emotional move down to here. Hits 92.32, and buyers stepped in and pulled the price all the way back up to 92.75. So we had a 73 tick move, we had a 40, almost a 40 tick move over the, 43 tick move over the last, give it the last hour or so, and now we've sold off again. So now we're retesting this area, 92.45, 92.32 down here. You can see there's some emotional moves that are still on the market here. Now, what am I looking for today? Well, I'm waiting for the open. It's going to happen in 5 minutes. See how price shakes out when the regular trading hours take over. So these emotional moves really have, you have a pretty wide swing. So really, it's starting out to be a range, kind of like a range. But now we've got these first couple of swings down from the overnight to here. So whether or not we're going to continue to sell off, we'll have to wait and see as far as 9 o'clock is concerned. Really nowhere to get in. Kind of really unpredictable at this point in time. Can't really tell where the where trade we're going to take. Is this going to be a reversal? We're looking at one move down and then maybe a reversal off these lows back in this direction to retest this higher, retest, what do I say, maybe about a midpoint from yesterday afternoon support. So, or are we going to continue to sell off below 92? I mean, yesterday's low was 91.80, 91.83, somewhere in that neighborhood. So are we going to go retest that area before price finds some support? Those are the questions we have to answer. So right now, I'm going to look at, with these moves like this, and this is your 15-tick stop, obviously. There's really no way to predict. Right now, this is looking for a second entry long. Price makes a new high. Here's a first entry. Here's a second entry long. But off of here, this was a second entry short. Price makes a new low. First entry, second entry short. This was a failed second entry long right here, just by a few ticks. Actually, pardon me, it wasn't a sale. This is a successful second entry long right here. But we had this first move up, pulled back, second move up, and now we have this failure. Is this the first move, and perhaps we'll have the second move down here? It's really hard to say. I mean, you can't say with any, at this juncture, I would be very suspect about getting any trades at this point in time, unless, of course, there's some firming up around this area. I want to see how price responds to this low before I make a commitment one way or the other. Based on yesterday, we're trading near the low of what we had. We're below the low of what we had yesterday. Pardon me, 92.52. When I was talking about 91.80, that didn't mean yesterday. It meant the day before yesterday. Day before yesterday, price traded down to 91.80, and that was not yesterday's trading, but the day before yesterday's trading. So that was on Monday, not yesterday. Anyway, so are we going to retest that area? And if you look at the last 2 days, where's price heading down to? Is it we're going to find support down here or something in that neighborhood? Anyway, that's it for now. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll try to answer them the best I can. If you have any concerns about trading or in reference to the slow hand method, I'm always willing to accept questions, answer any questions that you have with reference to that. You can reach me at jksv@shaw.ca. That's Vince Virgil at jksv@shaw.ca. I'll put up my website address or my email so you can get in touch with me. So if you have any questions, you get a hold of me at jksv@shaw.ca. It's Vince Virgil, and I'll answer questions that you have in reference to the slow hand method for price action. So if you have any, so that's it for now. I hope you have a good day. Oh, one other thing I should mention. Today's DOE report, 10:30. Remember, as we get closer to the report, price can start playing some funky things. So it can start going a little bit sideways in anticipation of the report. So maybe some of this volatility has got to do with what they anticipate at 10:30. So that's something else to keep in mind. So DOE report 10:30. Keep that in mind. That's it for now. Hope you have a good day.